Hello everyone, today we are going to see top 5 books every investor should read. Best books to help you grow your investing skills and profits. When it comes to learning about investing, the internet is a convenient way to navigate the current information jungle. But those seeking a great historical perspective and a more detailed analysis should consider reading classic investment books. Now we are going to be see list of some of the best stock market investing books that should prove valuable guides to anyone looking to boost their investing knowledge and skills. First one, The Intelligent Investor, 1949, written by Benjamin Graham. The undisputed father of value investing, Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor birthed the idea about security analysis that laid the foundation for a generation of investors, including his most famous student Warren Buffett, who called this work by far the best book on the investing ever written, published in 1949. This book teaches time-tested principles that every investor can use. Second one is Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, 1958, written by Philip A. Fisher. Another pioneer is in the world of financial analysis. Philip Fisher has had a major influence on modern investment theory and is credited with the idea of analyzing stocks based on their growth potential. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits teaches investors to analyze the quality of a business and its ability to produce profits. First published in the 1950s, Fisher's lessons are just as applicable today, more than half century later. Third one is Stock for the Long Run, 1994, written by Jeremy Siegel. As the title suggested, Harvard School of Business professor Jeremy Siegel champions the concept of investing in the stocks over the long haul, extensively drawing on more than 2 centuries of research. Siegel believes equities will not only surpass all over the financial assets when it comes to performance, but he argues that the stock's returns are safer and more predictable during inflationary climates. Next, fourth one is 3 books author of Peter Lynch, Learn to Earn, 1995, One Upon Wall Street, 1989, Beating the Street, 1993. Peter Lynch came to prominence in the 1980s as the manager of the spectacularly performing Fairly Magellan Fund, and he has since authored a trio of well-received books geared towards young audience. Learn to Earn explain the many business bases, while One Upon Wall Street makes the case for the benefits of self-directed investing. Not to be outdone, Beating the Street focuses on the process Lynch used for picking winning stocks when he ran the famed Magellan Fund. All 3 titles preach a common sense approach, insisting that individual investors who conduct through the due diligence can invest just like experts. Fifth one is Rich Dad Poor Dad, 1997, written by Robert T. Kiyosaki. This book centers around the lessons rich folks teach their kids about money, which according to Robert Kiyosaki, poor and middle class parents too often neglect. Kiyosaki's simple but effective message preaches the importance of investing early, make your asset work for you, a concept all children should know. Thank you.